So our wires, like I said before, are color coordinated. So this black one is going to go to the very last black wire here, and this red is going to go to this positive lead right here. Now, what I like to do is I take this long wire here, and I'm going to connect it to the very last red terminal. Okay, so what I like to do now is to grab the batteries and just go ahead and just set them in. Okay. Now we're going to take this long jumper wire. Like I said, they're color coordinated, super simple. This black wire is going to go to this terminal right here. It's going to act as a jumper. To this wire right here. Sometimes it is easier to connect it outside first before setting the battery in. See, it's a little bit easier to do it that way so the wires actually go in place. Next, I'm going to take this wire here, the smaller jumper. Notice that it's black and red. I'm going to connect this black down here. There we go, that's connected. Super simple. This is red. Only one battery left with a red terminal available. Go ahead and connect that. And this black wire is going to connect to this black wire right here. Super simple. The battery's basically almost installed. And what you want to do is make sure that you have enough slack pulled out, all the slack as possible. Because basically when you install it, it's going to run into this corner like this. You need as much slack as possible. Go ahead and pull as much out as you physically can, just so that you have enough room to go ahead and connect that. Notice that this tray, you're going to want the side with that small screw to be on the side with the wire here. You basically want these two tabs to lock in place, so you need to put a little bit of pressure to do so until you hear all the clicks. Alright, so this battery is almost ready to be put into the unit. So I'm going to take the small screw here. Just be careful not to thread it, because it is really difficult to get these screws out once they are threaded. I'm gonna go slow so I don't thread this. Let me go a little bit more. All right, that's good. And we got this last screw here on this side, and we got one more screw on the opposite side, and we should be good to go. Having a magnetic bit does help a lot. And like I said before, the APCs use the triangle bits. We're using Phillips, so in this stage you're going to want to make sure that your Phillips bit is not on, that you're using a triangle bit for your application. Alrighty. Now, let's stick this a little bit off frame. Go ahead and bring back the voltmeter. And make sure that you've connected everything properly. We're going to get a voltage reading. Here. The prongs have to touch the metal parts on your Anderson cable connector. So it's a 48 volt system. We're getting 53, which is good. It's fully charged. If your voltage reading is too low, your unit may not recognize that it is a functional battery unit. So just make sure that, like I said before, it's important that they're voltage matched, they're top charged before installing these, because like the voltage is too low, your APC unit will not accept them, even though they're brand new units. Another thing is, for this perspective C, I'm going to be flipping them. You're supposed to be getting a negative voltage there. If these aren't flipped, so if this red is to red and black is to black, and you're getting a negative thing, negative sign, you flipped something somewhere incorrect for these two connectors. You got to reopen it and make sure that you connected everything to the right polarity. And that's where our wires are color coded, color matched. So it's super easy to figure out. If you connected a black wire to a red terminal, it's super easy to figure that out. But on the standard ones, they aren't. So you should just go back and rewatch the video on how to properly assemble this again, and come back and before you assemble this, just to make sure that your voltage is not negative when it's connected to the correct polarity on the voltmeter. Alright, so we're not done just yet. We'll be launching another video on how to properly install this back into an APC unit, but we have a room full of these APC units that take the RBC115s, 116. We have other APC RBC units as well. Anything that we sell, we have multiple APC units of these that we put these into the unit, let them charge overnight, and make sure that everything is good. We load tests on them. So when you buy a unit from us that's fully assembled, you're not only getting brand new trays, you're not only getting brand new wiring harnesses, brand new fuses, you're getting high rate discharge batteries that are voltage matched, that are top charged, that are checked on the voltmeter here, then put into a unit that this is supposed to go into. This will go into a unit that accepts an APC RBC115 or a 116. We have multiple UPS units of these. We'll put them in overnight. We'll do load tests before we ship these units out. So you're getting basically right out of the box, when you get this, take it out, put it into your UPS unit, put the 2 bolts in, you're ready to go. Super simple. So thank you for watching this video. We're going to be linking in the description down below. We're going to be linking videos for how to properly remove these from your unit so that you can start working on this without a cracked case. We're also going to be linking down below a video on how to install this properly back into your unit, how to reset the meter on your UPS unit, and also we're going to leave a link down below to if you want to buy a fully assembled APC RBC115 compatible kit or an APC RBC116 fully compatible installed kit, in addition to the 12.9 RG129-36HR batteries and the 12.7.5 RG128-32 HR batteries. So again, thank you again for watching this video. Make sure to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos like this, along with other battery related videos as well. Thank you.